Real ways to make money from your phone. And I know a lot of you are watching so many videos, but no one's getting to the point. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to source everything that I'm doing and my marketing strategy. So first, let's talk about the product. In my opinion, an educational product is the quickest way to start making money online. Skills, high income, all go together, and that's one of the most searched things online right now. You don't have to wait to get the product to experience it and then talk about it like a physical product. You're kind of already engaged as soon as you purchase. As soon as you purchase something that shows you how to market, you're going to learn how to market. So this company, the Home Business Academy, has 4 products. They have a personal development app. They have a software funnel builder. I host all my websites on here. You can host your digital products or anything, or even your courses. They have premium traffic and conversions, which I'm in now. So if you're someone who wants to know the ins and outs of social media marketing, and I'm going to show you an example of why you're going to need this. And they have the financial literacy, which shows you, real estate, taxes, everything you need after you start making the money. You must own these products to have the resale rights, and you must at least have the funnel builder or the premium traffic if you want access. If you're already in business and you already have a funnel builder or a website or a place you host your product, you can simply get the premium and any of the other products to upgrade your business. So let's get right into it. Once you have the product, you're going to have an affiliate link right away. So the sales pages are already going to be fixed. What I usually do as far as, automating my business, I create funnels and I capture my leads. So if someone doesn't purchase today, I'll be able to email them later on. Plus, I usually deliver free products and, give until they're ready to purchase. That's what we're going to be showing you guys how to do. So now that you understand product automation, which this is 90% of the business, let's look at content. What content are we going to make? This is always, I think, keen and why people don't get started, really making money online. So there's going to be a few pieces of content. Really, I want to say 2 big pieces of content. You're going to motivate and you're going to educate. And, occasionally people throw in sales videos where you're just strictly selling. Like a specific selling video would be
50 hours a week to clear $5 to $700. And imagine you sell 2 digital products or anything, it clears the same amount. Remember, it's not if you'll do it, if you'll sell a product, if you'll make money online. It's only a matter of time when you sell your products and make money online. The economy's not changing anytime soon. What you're getting paid is not going to change anytime soon. And people are on the internet searching for ways to make money.
See, I'm more pain points. I'm really diving into most likely having a call to action, motivation. I'm literally, in some of these things you can use ChatGPT when I show you how to, prompt, I'll show you how to get your own text. And we have usually a text on screen. These work better when you're doing something. Say you have a nice little scenery, you're out walking. They do better, but sometimes if you don't have that, I just get it. I take an old video that I, don't want to use, lower the volume, and I put text on the screen. So how do you expect to win if you're afraid to start? What runs through your mind when you see success? Are you even able to see success without action? Ask yourself this. I've been struggling for this many years. If I keep doing the same, what do I think will happen? This is kind of trying to get comments. People hate commenting unless it's something controversial. This is trying to get comments, but this is motivation. This is getting you to follow me. So when I do those make money posts, you see them as well. And then we have some education as well, where, I'm usually showing, I'm really diving deep into education, no real call to action, maybe in the caption. And this is where you spend most of your time at. And I do the same thing on Instagram. Instagram, they like shorter videos, so more text on screen videos than speaking videos. And YouTube likes them all. So, I do a little bit of both on YouTube. And then what's amazing about YouTube is I do longer videos. When you're doing a longer video, it's all about SEO. It's all about when people search on YouTube, you want your video there. And we have a few trainings in the premium product as well. So this is how to earn, real money online. Here's a snapshot of what I do, but I'm making this video long, and it's really simple. The hardest part is usually having a decision to purchase, setting up your funnel, or just if you don't want a funnel, you just want to run with an affiliate link, which I don't recommend, but you can get a domain name, a www dot, and forward it to that, and just getting in business, making content. What people have to realize is anyone can make content in 2024. Where I would start is, my first video would be, hey, this is my name, I'm new, this is why I got started, what I'm going to be doing the next 90 days. I did it because this reason. I know a lot of you are in the same position, so follow me and let's see where this takes me. That can be your first video, and hopefully you can get some followers. I have a TikTok ad strategy as well, so if you want a link in bio on TikTok, you have to have 1,000 followers, where I have a strategy where I spend $20 and I go get 1,000 or 2,000 followers legitly on the platform itself by running TikTok ads. So like I said, come in, start making some money. If you have some friends and family, I usually don't talk to friends and family, but if you know somebody looking for some as well, go get you some quick results as well. Bring that income proof to the internet and let's win.